Hello student, welcome to physics lecture. Today we are going to start second part of chapter 5 is acceleration, velocity, displacement of simple harmonic motion. In previous lecture we have studied the simple harmonic motion. We can obtain the expression for acceleration, velocity, a velocity v and displacement x of simple harmonic motion, a particle performing simple harmonic motion by solving the differential equation of simple harmonic motion in terms of displacement x and time t. We know that the differential equation of simple harmonic motion we have studied in previous lecture. Differential equation is d2x upon dt square plus omega square x is equals to 0. It is also written as d2x upon dt square is equals to minus omega square x. This is equation 1. But we know that acceleration a is equals to d2x by dt square. Hence, putting this value in this equation, we can get a is equals to minus omega square x. This is the expression for acceleration in terms of displacement x. हे काय आहे acceleration इक्वेशन झालेलं आहे in terms of displacement x. From equation 1, d2x by dt square is equals to minus omega square x. It is also written as ddt of dx by dt is equals to minus omega square x. We know that dx by dt is nothing but velocity. V is equals to dx by dt. Putting this value in this equation, we can get dv by dt is equals to minus omega square x. It is also written as dv by dx into dx by dt. It is equals to minus omega square x. V dv by dx. V dv by dx is equals to omega square x. We know that dx by dt is equals to v. Hence v dv by dx is equals to minus omega square x. Rearrange this equation, we can get hence v dv is equals to minus omega square x dx. Integrating both the side, we get integrate v dv is equals to minus omega square x dx. Integration of this is v square by 2 is equals to omega square is constant minus omega square. Integration of x ds is equals to x square by 2 plus c is the constant of integration. This is equation 3. Let A be the maximum displacement of particle in the simple harmonic motion. A काय आहे मॅक्झिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट आहे पार्टिकलचा सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन मध्ये व्हेन पार्टिकल इज ॲट एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशन. जर पार्टिकल हा एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशनला असेल त्या एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशनला व्हेलॉसिटी किती राहते 0 राहते. कन्सिडर ॲट x इज इक्वल्स टू प्लस मायनस a. व्हेन डिस्प्लेसमेंट मॅक्झिमम असेल त्यावेळेस व्हेलॉसिटी किती राहील 0 राहील. Substituting in equation 3, we get v is 0. Hence v is equals to 0. म्हणून ही पूर्ण टर्म काय झाली 0 झाली. is equals to minus omega square x is equals to a square upon 2 plus c. Hence c is equals to omega square a square upon 2. This is equation 4. This is the value of constant of integration. Using c in equation 3, we get hence v square by 2 is equals to minus omega square x square upon 2 plus omega square a square upon 2. Hence v square is equals to omega square in bracket a square minus x square. Hence v square is equals to omega square a square minus x square. taking square root to both sides, we can get, hence v is equals to plus minus omega under root a square minus x square. This is equation 5. This is the expression for velocity in terms of displacement x. In terms of displacement x. आता आपल्याला ऍक्सिलरेशनचं इक्वेशन मिळालं, व्हेलॉसिटीचं इक्वेशन मिळालं. आता आपल्याला पाहिजे डिस्प्लेसमेंट. लेट consider the equation of velocity. V is equals to plus minus omega under root a square minus x square. Substituting V is equals to dx by dt, we get dx upon dt is equals to omega under root a square minus x square. Hence dx upon under root a square minus x square is equals to omega dt. Integrate both sides, we can get integration dx upon under root a square minus x square is equals to omega integrate dt. Integration of this value is sin inverse x upon a is equals to omega constant आहे आणि dt चा integration t plus phi. Phi is the constant of integration. Hence x is equals to sin inverse आहे तर काय येईल, x is equals to a sin, इकडे जाईल sin, इकडे जाईल a ला मल्टिप्लाय जाईल a sin omega t plus phi. This is the general expression for displacement x of particle performing linear simple harmonic motion. X is equals to a sin omega t plus phi. This is the general equation for displacement particle performing linear simple harmonic motion. Let us expression for displacement for two particular cases. Displacement चे दोन particular cases आहे. First case, if particle start a simple harmonic motion from the mean position. जर particle mean position पासून simple harmonic motion perform करत असेल तर x is equals to 0 राहील at t is equals to 0. जर आपण x is equals to 0 आणि t is equals to 0 या इक्वेशन मध्ये जर पुट अप केलं तर आपल्याला काय मिळेल, या इक्वेशन मध्ये जर पुट अप केलं तर सॉरी x is equals to 0 at t is equals to 0, we get phi is equals to काय आहे, sin inverse x upon a is equals to 0 or pi. We get phi is equals to sin inverse x upon a is equals to 0 or pi. Using equation, हे इक्वेशन आपण यूज केलं इथं, sin inverse x upon a is equals to omega t plus phi. जर x ची व्हॅल्यू आपण 0 पुटअप केली याच्यामध्ये, ठीक आहे, तर ही काय होईल, टर्म 0 होऊन जाईल. ठीक आहे, समजलं का तुम्हाला हे? phi is equals to sin inverse x upon a is equals to 0 असेल किंवा phi असेल, कारण x is equals to आपण जर इथे 0 पुटअप केलं तर ही पूर्ण टर्म काय होईल, 0 होईल. जर आपण phi ची व्हॅल्यू इथे 0 पुटअप केली तर आपल्याला काय मिळेल, हे इक्वेशन मिळेल x is equals to a sin omega t. सेकंड केस मध्ये इफ पार्टिकल स्टार्ट सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन फ्रॉम एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशन. जर आता पार्टिकल एक्स्ट्रीम पोझिशन पासून सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन परफॉर्म करत असेल तर म्हणजे x is equals to काय येईल, प्लस मायनस a at t is equals to 0. आता आपण इथे a पुटअप जर केलं, phi is equals to sin inverse a upon a म्हणजे 1 येईल, sin inverse 1 is equals to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. Substituting in equation we get x is equals to a sin omega t plus pi by 2 or x is equals to a sin omega t plus 3 pi by 2. This is sin omega t plus pi by 2 is nothing but cos omega t. Hence x is equals to plus minus a cos omega t. This is the expression for displacement at any instant if the particle starts simple harmonic motion from the extreme position. Positive sign for starting from positive extreme position and negative sign for starting from negative extreme position. The expression of displacement x, velocity v and acceleration a at time t is x is equals to a sin omega t plus phi. Sorry, it is written as x is equals to a sin in bracket omega t plus phi. Velocity v is equals to dx by dt is equals to a omega cos ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. कारण भी काय आहे dx बाय dt. जर आपण याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला तर काय येईल ए ओमेगा कॉस डी ओमेगा इन ब्रॅकेट डी सॉरी ए व्ही इज इक्वल्स टू dx बाय dt इज इक्वल्स टू ए ओमेगा कॉस इन ब्रॅकेट ओमेगा टी प्लस फाय. ऍसिलरेशन इज नथिंग बट ए इज इक्वल्स टू dv बाय dt इज इक्वल्स टू जर याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला व्हेलॉसिटीचा तर काय येईल ए ओमेगा स्क्वेअर साइन omega in bracket omega t plus phi. This is all about this topic for acceleration, velocity and displacement of simple harmonic motion. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.